Welcome to the Uni-Ram URS500 Solvent Recycler tutorial. Whether you have the standard URS500 model or the advanced URS500 EP2 with the solvent transfer system, we've got you covered. Today we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure the proper operation of your solvent recycler. To ensure this feature operates optimally, it's essential to install additional components such as the solvent transfer hoses and the air supply kit. Uni-Ram solvent recyclers are compatible with only the URS500 EP2 automatic spray gun cleaner, offering you a seamless integration for all your cleaning and recycling needs. The E models are specifically designed to link directly to a Uni-Ram E-Series automatic spray gun cleaner or an external container. This direct connection creates a self-contained recycling system. With the timer-controlled transfer in and out between the solvent recycler and other components, the system ensures efficient and automated recycling. Before we begin, please review these important cautions and warnings. Wear protective clothing, face goggles, gloves, apron, and respirator if required. Disconnect the power source before maintenance for operation. Keep away from ignition sources like sparks or open flames. Maintain at least 6 feet or 1.8 meters distance. Ensure the ambient temperature is between 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not recycle nitrocellulose. It ignites at 135 degrees Celsius to 166 degrees Celsius or at 275 degrees Fahrenheit to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Use equipment only if the auto-ignition temperature of the solvent is above 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Follow safe practices for storing and handling flammable recycled solvents. Installation must be done by a qualified electrician per applicable laws. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to ensure smooth operation of your Uni-Ram Solvent Recycler, URS500. Let's get started. Step 1. Positioning the solvent receiving pail. Ensure that the solvent receiving pail is positioned correctly, with the solvent outlet tube securely inserted in the opening. Remember, safety comes first. Step 2. Installing a new liner bag. Using the provided liner bag, carefully place it into the distillation tank, making sure it sits flat at the bottom. Secure the retaining ring to keep everything in place. Step 3. Filling the distillation tank. Fill the tank with used solvent to 2 inches below the retaining ring, but be mindful not to overfill, as this could lead to blockages and leaks. Close the lid securely before proceeding. Step 4. Starting recycling. Press the Start button to begin the recycling process. Recycling is complete when heat and fan lights are off. Remember to use the lid lock and to never open it until the lights are off. Step 5. Transferring clean solvent. Once recycling is complete, remove the clean solvent and transfer it to a new container using the provided system. Ensure proper connections for a seamless transfer. Step 6. Removing debris from the URS500 or URS600. Carefully remove the waste bag from the distillation tank, ensuring it doesn't interfere with future cycles. Dispose of the waste bag safely according to regulations. You should note that the bag is to be used only once. Whether the bag is wet or dry, it should be considered hazardous waste unless otherwise advised by a licensed waste hauler. The tank can be cleaned using tools that won't damage the steel, such as a simple rag. Most importantly, always use Uni-Ram LB900C-10 bags, as our bags have superior welds compared to the poor welds on inferior bags. Step 7. Cleaning and maintenance. Keep your solvent recycler in top condition by regularly cleaning the distillation tank and lid sealing surface. Use approved cleaning materials and avoid abrasive tools. Now it's time to introduce URS500 EP2, your ultimate solvent recycler solution. Did you know that it can seamlessly integrate with a Uni-Ram spray gun cleaner? That's right. With the URS500 EP2, used solvent from the wash pail can be effortlessly pumped into the distillation tank of the solvent recycler. Once recycled, clean solvent from the receiving pail can then be returned to the clean pail of the Uni-Ram spray gun cleaner, completing the cycle seamlessly. This integration streamlines your solvent management process, ensuring maximum efficiency and convenience. Now we will take you through the transfer system in your URS500 EP2 series. First, connect all hoses accordingly, with solvent out and solvent in, respectively, on the back of the machine. The solvent in should be the dirty solvent you want to transfer for. Make sure they are connected on the recycler and tighten it securely, then attach them to the hose. Next, open the safety cover and release the lid clamp to open the inner lid. Ensure the tank is empty and a liner bag is properly installed inside the tank. Before transferring solvent, verify that it meets the specified solvent requirements. You can check the solvent requirements on the manual. Solvent can be added to the distillation tank either manually or using the transfer hoses and built-in transfer system available in both models. To add solvent manually, carefully pour it into the distillation tank. Now, open the transfer valve by turning the handle counterclockwise 90 degrees. It will take about 2 minutes to transfer the solvent in. Next, turn the filling timer knob fully clockwise. Dirty solvent will flow from the transfer port into the liner bag and stop when the timer runs out. After the solvent transfer is complete, close the transfer valve by turning the handle clockwise 90 degrees. Finally, close the tank lid, lock down the lid clamp, and close the safety cover. And that's how you use the transfer system with the URS500 EP2 series.